Barbell curl. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell at arm's length with an underhand grip. Start by selecting the lightweight plate. Whenever you lift the barbell toward the shoulder, try to keep the elbow close to the body and bringing the barbell back to the starting position with control, maintaining focus on the bicep muscle throughout this movement. Perform 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Seated dumbbell curl. Sit on a bench with your back straight and feet flat on the floor, holding a dumbbell in each at an arm's length, palms facing forward, keeping your upper arm stable together or with the alternating hand, bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder and slightly curl it outward, squeezing the bicep muscle and stretch the bicep muscle by bringing it down. In this exercise, select a dumbbell of the same weight and you will reach failure in 10 to 12 repetitions. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell concentration curl. Sit on the bench with your legs apart and hold the dumbbell in one hand, resting your elbow on the inner thigh of the same side, squeezing the bicep, bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder. Turn it slightly outward, hold it for 1 second and will maintaining control over the speed, bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. This has to be done with the other hand also with the same form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Machine preacher curl. Adjust the seat height and pad position on the preacher curl machine so that your upper arm resting on the pad and your chest is pressed against it, holding the handle of the machine with an underhand grip and keep the upper arm stable on the pad of the machine. Slowly lift tip toward the shoulder, hold it for 1 second, squeeze the bicep muscle and bringing the handle downward with control form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Seated dumbbell hammer curl. In this your form will be exactly like seated dumbbell curl. Only in this you have to perform holding the dumbbell with the neutral grip. Curl the dumbbell together toward your shoulder in hammer-like motion. Squeeze the bicep at the top of the movement. Then slowly return the dumbbell to the starting position. If you want, you can do this exercise standing also. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.